Good shot there from Tate.
A lot of people say girls love money, and that's not entirely true.
Today is Andrew's birthday. We're on our way to the Formula One race in Abu Dhabi. Now, are we fans of Formula One? No. Can I name more than one or two Formula One drivers? No. The reason I'm doing this is because me and Andrew have this thing where we like to do what we call rich people shit. Now, we grew up broke, but rich people go to the Formula One and stand on yachts and drink champagne. Rich people ride the Orient Express. They turn up with their Aston Martins at the casino in Montenegro. These are the things that rich people do. I don't even know if I'm going to like it, but I get to stand around in my rich people mask with my poor self underneath, watching how these people move and how these people interact. I find it incredibly entertaining. So today, rich people shit.
I've been flexing on the broke boys, flexing on them, flexing on them. I've been flexing on the broke boys, flexing on them, flexing on them. Used to get my money on the block, came from the bottom to the top, but now I'm flexing on the broke boys.
And Mike is pissed.
Mike.
Yeah.
Well, you know what, man? Mike was cool. He just took so fucking long to do the edits. I had no problem, Mike, but it's just like, hurry the fuck up. Now we're here to buy F1 McLaren. That's $650. I got $720 because I'm a real baller. I buy myself a clothes. I'm not gonna buy those. But still, yeah. Our boat's called the St. David. If I had a boat that big, I would give it such a good name. Better than St. David. The judge of the ocean, the judge of the seas. Something that sounds intimidating. Fuck, the judge of the seas has arrived.
The judge. I had a cigar, yeah, the other day. My father, the judge.
My father, the judge. That should be the name of the boat. My father, the judge. The devil sign on the boat.
Flexing on them, flexing on them. We be flexing on the broke boys, flexing on them, flexing on them. We be flexing on the broke boys, flexing on them, flexing on them. Used to get my money on the block.
I need booze. Booze. You can bring me booze? Alcohol. Yeah, bring me alcohol. Booze. Booze, yeah. Go to the barman and say booze. Booze, let me booze. My birthday. I'll give me some booze.
Rich people shit. I'm from Marsh Farm. Represented Julius Gardens, LU3.
LU3. Once again, you got rampart on water.
Bro.
No life jacket. No life jacket.
No life jacket, bro.
No life jacket either.
I can't swim. Yeah, kick him off.
And you ruin your finest clothes and your cigars if you fall over.
Oh. Well.
Whereas you're watching football, you can see what they're doing. It's all about the careful work. So much of it is not seen, basically.
Yeah.
We interrupt this program for a special news bulletin.
I keep getting asked, people keep saying to me, Andrew, why have you launched a Forex trading academy when you already had the Bitcoin War Room Trading Academy? What's the difference? Well, the difference is obviously crypto and Forex. With the War Room Trading Academy, you can make a lot of money, but you need a deeper understanding of cryptocurrencies. I've had a lot of people come to me and say, look, I'm old school. I don't care about cryptocurrency. I want to keep my money in dollars. I'm very comfortable with my money where it is. I don't want to start buying Bitcoin, moving things around, etc., etc. I want to make money. Is there anything we can do? Yes, we can do the Forex. That's the entire point of it. We are making so much money in the Forex program. I'm going to give you something that I didn't give anyone for the Bitcoin program. I will allow you to try the product out. 10 days, unlimited access. You have a trial where you can sit and watch your money grow. It's that simple. What more do I have to say? Why do you have to listen to me? I'm on a roof in Dubai. I've been in Dubai for a month. After this, I'm going to Miami. Then I'm back to work. I'm all over the world, but that doesn't matter. The point is, I can prove to you you're going to make money with a trial. So all the rest of it's bullshit. Come along, see, try the Forex program. You don't need an understanding of cryptocurrency. If you understand what a dollar bill is, the Forex program is going to make you dollar bills. I'll see you inside.
So, who comes here to see the race? Gin, massive yacht. Oh, I can't see that corner. You're on TV over there. Sure, yeah, watch it on TV. It's a fun.
A very good afternoon, sir. How are you? Oh, there we go. Phones out. No pictures, please. How are you?
Very good.
Great view from up here as well. How do you rate this circuit, by the way?
It's beautiful on pictures. It's beautiful on pictures. A lot of downforce. Still be with, which is not the main issue. Is the way the downforce works on these modern cars. The downforce is too efficient.
It's a Aventador, a Huracan Evo, the new Huracan. And you get one car and you go around in a group following the instructor. Because there's three of you, there's always pussies who can't drive. Now, I'm good in a Lambo. There's something about a Lambo. I'm good in a Lambo. Like, I wouldn't even say genuinely, like, other cars, I'm a good driver. But I've had a Lambo for 3 years. I know Lamborghini. So anyway, so we're racing with these other chiefs, whatever. We get to the end, and the guy who's driving at the front gets out, and he looks like a geek. He's 17. I was like, how old are you? He goes, 17. I got some scholarship with Lamborghini, and I've been driving since I was 5. How the fuck you been driving since you were 5? They start in the cart because they're young and all this shit. So he's racing for Lambo already. I was like, all right, cool. I was like, how fast were you going around the track? Like, in comparison to how fast you can go. He goes, I was driving with one hand, maybe 30%. And I said, and when I came back, I said to Viv, he wasn't driving with one hand. She goes, yeah, I saw it. He was on his phone. And it pissed me off. So we're all trying to keep up with him. And he's like, on his phone around the track. So when it was just me and him, I thought, I have to kick his ass. I have to teach him a lesson. And this is the closest I've ever come to stacking a car. So I said to myself, look, I don't press the brake lights till he presses the brake lights. I don't let off the accelerator till he lets off the accelerator. I follow him, and I'm not letting go. So we start going, and I'm on him, and I can see him starting to speed up and speed up. He wants to prove he can get away from me. Well, obviously I'm not a race driver, but I'm crazy. So I'm on him, I'm refusing. Yeah? So we go around this corner and come out to take this other corner. And when we go out, around the bend, when we come out, we're both in Aventadors. My front right wheel touches the grass by maybe this much. Like this, on the bend. And I swear to God, I completely lost the car. They start going left, right, I was fully counter steering like this, like completely all over the place. And I recovered it and kept going. And the guy kept racing at the end, he goes, how the fuck did you save that? I was like, bro, I don't know. I don't know. If you touch the grass by an inch, you fucking lose it.
How much is that car worth?
400 grand? Whoa. But when I got control of it again, I was straight back on him. Because I knew how I fucked up, so I wasn't scared. I was like, all right, don't touch the grass. I was back on him again. And by the end of it, he goes, you can drive. He goes, you're the best driver I've seen on these in a long time. I was like, I'm just following you, bro. I don't know how they do it, but I just followed him.
Are you the best driver, or are you just more crazy than anyone else?
More stupid.
Plus, you don't look like a fucking geek.
He looks like a hell. But yeah, it was a badass day because driving Lambos that aren't yours is so much more fun.
They invite you over, right? Nothing can't find us an access.
You know what? I'm very impressed with the women from my my country. I've heard lots of beautiful Romanian girls speaking Romanian around this dock here in Abu Dhabi. I didn't know so many of them were, you know, boat captains and sailors and Formula One racing staff and, you know, pit engineers. Man, Romanian girls are talented. I had no clue this level of talent existed in my home country. Crazy, right?
They are overrepresented in this sector.
Well done, ladies. Well done. Oh, you gotta have a drink. This is now
Drink number 13. Sure.
Yeah. You're from Luton.
Don't be a pussy.
Men like us should be drinking bottles of White Lightning on the fucking road.
Fucking ace liquor.
Outside gates, bro.
Instead, we're in Abu Dhabi, drinking gin
insane.
tonics on the biggest boat in the whole marina.
Liquid.
Cheers, Ron Paul.
All time, bro.
Hold tight. Happy birthday, Andy. Hold tight. Ron
Yes, indeed.
Kilo. War room shelter. War We got our own waiter. We got our own waiter, so I gave him like fucking $50. Now he's ours. And if you notice, every other waiter is now coming on to us. Every other waiter doesn't open. This guy gives money. So now they're all coming in. What do you want? What do you want?
No, it's not. It's not.
5 gin and tonics. Ron Paul needs a drink. 5 gin and tonics. 3 Red Bull.
Drink your fucking booze. You better believe that. $3.5 grand.
3.5 cheese. I'm spending money. I'm drinking booze.
We once, I would guess, in 2014, we made 3.5 G's in 6 months between us. And now it's 3.5 G's per ticket. Me, you, and we have to pay for one phone. Jesus.
I was the boss man. Paid 3.5, paid for the cameraman. And I was booking the tickets. The guy said, tell these guys to get their cameraman. He said, bro, it's 3.5 grand per ticket. He's still there with the cameraman. I'm like, that's what he said. I ran back to you, he said, book it. I'm like, yeah, that's what he wants. He goes, what the fuck?
Cameraman, bro.
You need that back for one phone. For one phone.
Run, go.
I can do that though. I can do that. It's not impressive. I can do that. Give me the car. You start. Go. That's right. I'll go right now. You can't beat me at this shit. Give me it. Give me the car. They won't give me the car because they know I'll win. That's why they give me the car. They know I'll win. When I see someone do something I couldn't do, I'm like, all right, cool, maybe. Which is very rare. But what, drive a car? Well, that's all I do is drive cars.
But if Lewis Hamilton got out of his car and like I had to fight him for his car, fucking he's like this Todd. Break his spine. Snap. I crumble into a ball.
It's vegan.
No! Why? You're the fucking Lewis Hamilton.
Let me tell you what. Every time I hear about these motherfuckers and who they're dating, it was like Lewis Hamilton. He's dating Nicole Scherzer. I'm like, do you know how many Miami Heat players and big ass black basketball players the size of you run fold? Fuck that bitch before. You think Lewis Hamilton, the 5'1" vegan, is making any kind of impression? No fucking way! Driving around his little car like a fucking.
Hang on, Tate, go now.
Yeah! You look like a geek, bro.
He looks like a geek. He's a midget in a car.
Pussy.
Are you ordering more drinks?
What?
Why order more drinks?
Why are you not ordering a drink?
This is attempt number 5 or attempt number 6?
What is this?
him 5 tries. At least 5, maybe 6. 5, yeah. You do not deserve to drive that car. You look like a thief.
You want to go out for Andrew, we're going out for drinks, eh? Listen, I'm tired. Are we going out for drinks, yes or no? I'm tired of Luke. Luke, yeah, no, I'll come and say, bro, let me talk to him. Hey, man, let me talk to Luke. Luke, where are you? Bro, Luke, come here. You think eggs will save you? Luke, come here. Luke, we're going fucking drinking! We're going fucking drinking, you fucking... We're going fucking drinking! Put on your drinking clothes! Let's go! Can I save when you're drinking? Eggs! Am I drinking? No, it's okay. We're going drinking, kids! Okay. Okay. Put on your moving clothes! Fucking go!
Got to eat. Hey. Boy, how are you, man?
Hey. Look down, bruv.
It's like pumping the